Most 86-footers run on shafts. The Azimut Grande 26M runs on pods. First yacht over 80 feet to mount ZF large pod, 4,600 drives. Built by Azimut in Avigliana, Italy. 86 feet of carbon fiber superstructure over a planing hull. Exterior by Stefano Regini. Interior by Achille Salvagni Atelier or Joystick. 2 design lines, 1 platform. Twin MANV-12s underneath, paired to ZF large pod, 4,600 drives, 3,300 horsepower at the high end, top speed 28 knots, cruise at 24 knots, 376 nautical miles on 2,245 gallons, 20% less fuel than shaft drives at cruise, 85 feet 7 inches overall, 20-foot 8 beam, 6-foot 9 draft, Bahamas access. Displacement 84 tons unladen, 2,245 gallons of fuel. Deck-to-deck transom unfolds into a 20-foot terrace over open water. Pod drives with joystick control, 0-speed pivot in any marina. Carbon fiber superstructure cuts topside weight and drops the center of gravity for stability in a beam sea. Owner's suite on the main deck, full beam with floor-to-ceiling glass that runs the width of the foredeck. 5 guest cabins, 6 heads, 2 crew cabins accessed from the side walkway, not through the salon. Achille Salvagni interior is sculptural and geometric. Joystick is organic and material driven. Both work because the architecture comes first. The Grande 26M is the most capable 86-footer on the water. Super yacht function without super yacht draft. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.